channel, please subscribe my channel. Here we discuss about the electrolysis of NaCl, NaBr and NaI, and list of anion. We'll see that whether we'll complete it or not. We'll go for the next video for that. Okay, I'm Veena Dikshit. Please subscribe my channel. God bless you. All the best. Thank you for watching. Here this is for 9, 10th, 11, 12. Draw this electrolytic cell. Here this is anode, this is cathode. At cathode Cl negative ion are coming, joining to this anode, and they are discharging their electrons to here. So electron travels from here to here, and then they are going to here. This is called cathode. Okay, at cathode reduction takes place, and that time H positive and Na positive will compete with each other. So H positive is having a strong reduction, high reduction potential, so H2 will be discharged over here. Okay, and hydrogen gas is released at cathode and chlorine gas is released at anode. This is for all of it. If it is NaCl, we write on Na and Cl. If it is NaBr, so we write on here Br negative, rest will remain the same. Okay, and Br2 will be released. If it will be NaI aqueous solution, so we write here I negative, and then I2 will be released. Okay, see here, NaCl gives you Na positive plus Cl negative, and water give H positive and OH negative. Both will compete. Hydrogen H positive wins and hydrogen is released. And at anode Cl negative, we discharge electrons, 2 electrons, and gives Cl2. So twice of NaCl plus twice H2 gives you twice of NaOH plus H2 plus Cl2. NaBr, Na plus Br negative on electrolysis. All of them are going to electrolyze. Water is giving H positive and OH negative. At cathode, hydrogen gas is released by taking gain of 2 electron. Hydrogen is released. At anode, twice of Br negative, they will lose 2 electron and form Br2. So in this way, at cathode hydrogen, at anode Br2 is obtained. Twice of NaBr plus 2H2 gives you twice of NaOH plus H2 gas plus Br2 gas. Remember that Na positive and OH negative ions are the spectators ions, and they will remain in the solution. Like this, NaI also twice of here at top I am not balancing, I am balancing only at the bottom. NaI gives you Na plus I negative, and water will give H positive and OH negative. Same way, at cathode we will get hydrogen, at anode we will get that. In this way we can say NaCl, NaBr and NaI very easily, electrolysis of all of them, and their water molecule reduced to hydrogen gas, and Cl negative gives Cl2. Okay, so this is the electrolysis of NaCl, NaBr and NaI. This is applicable for all classes 9, 10th, 11, 12th. Okay, so this is the way we have to do. Thank you for watching. God bless you.